Hey, welcome to our bird feeder video. We're going to be making a bird feeder today. So the first thing you need to do is get yourself a toilet paper tube. You're going to take that toilet paper tube and you're going to poke a couple holes in the ends of it like this. And then you'll run some string or thread or something heavy enough to hold it up so it'll swing through each end and tie it off really tight. Especially if you're using yarn, you want to make it nice and tight. Then once you've done that, you're going to start coating the toilet paper tube in peanut butter. Then when you're done with that, you can just roll it in the birdseed and get lots of birdseed on it. There you have your finished